Everyone's talking about AI. Headlines scream, AI will take your job. ChatGPT is conscious. Prompt like a pro. AI is dangerous. But few actually understand it. In 2026, artificial intelligence is everywhere. In your phone, your fridge, your feed, your thoughts. It's shaping how we live, work, and create, yet most beginners still get the basics completely wrong. Imagine standing at the edge of a digital frontier where knowledge moves faster than your eyes can follow, where every system hums with potential and every decision has an algorithmic echo. This is NextCore AI, your cinematic guide to the truth behind the code. Subscribe to NextCore AI and hit the bell to unlearn the noise. The myths that hold you back. When most people hear AI, they think ChatGPT, a chatbot that answers questions. But that's like thinking the internet is just Google. AI is not a single tool or a simple interface. It's a layered network of reasoning models, vision engines, audio synthesis, memory agents, and coordination layers. Chatbots are only the tip of the iceberg, the visible surface of a system capable of thinking across multiple dimensions simultaneously. Once you understand that, you stop prompting like a user and start thinking like an architect. Thinking AI equals chatbots. Most beginners still equate AI with chatbots, imagining that their intelligence begins and ends with a single conversation. They type a query, get an answer, and move on, believing they've grasped the technology. But AI is not bound to dialogue. It is a networked system capable of perception, memory, reasoning, and creative synthesis across vast datasets. When you zoom out from the chatbot interface, you see a digital brain humming with interconnected modules, each layer contributing to understanding in a way no human mind can fully replicate. Treating AI like a search engine. Many beginners use AI as a glorified search bar. They type, read, and leave, expecting answers to magically emerge. But AI is not here to provide static solutions. It exists to help you build understanding and reasoning. The moment you invite AI to think with you, you engage in a process where the AI mirrors your thought, challenges assumptions, and co-creates solutions. Transforming the AI from a content generator into a cognitive collaborator that elevates your own decision-making processes. Ignoring context windows. Every AI has a limit to how much it can remember at once, a context window. In 2023, this might have been a few thousand words. By 2026, top-tier models can process millions of tokens, allowing them to handle entire projects in one continuous reasoning process. Most beginners, however, still feed information in fragmented chunks, treating intelligence like a notepad rather than a living neural system. When you understand context, you stop dumping data and start feeding perspective, giving the AI the ability to reason holistically, draw connections, and maintain continuity across complex tasks. Not using memory. Advanced AI agents with memory, like Relevance AI personas and OpenAI o1 preview agents, can recall your past projects, preferences, tone, and goals. Learning your style, anticipating needs, and adapting over time. Most beginners restart their chats every session, losing the continuity that transforms a tool into a teammate. Memory allows AI to track long-term objectives, refine strategies, and maintain a sense of progression across multiple tasks. Confusing automation with intelligence. Automation and intelligence are not the same. Automation accelerates repetitive tasks, but it does not think. AI without reasoning is chaos on autopilot, sending incorrect emails, overbooking meetings, or producing outputs with no real insight. True productivity comes from autonomous reasoning, systems that reflect on their own logic and evaluate consequences before acting. Modern tools like Zapier AI agents, Relevance AI, and Kindroid employ reflection loops, checking their own reasoning and verifying outcomes before execution. Intelligence is not speed. It's the ability to decide when, why, and how to act. The sixth mistake, thinking AI is replacing you. AI is not replacing people. It's replacing processes. The humans who thrive in 2026 are those who orchestrate systems rather than perform tasks. Designers, engineers, and creators direct multiple AI agents simultaneously, guiding outputs, refining logic, and maintaining ethical oversight. The new professional skill is not efficiency. It is orchestration, designing systems capable of independent thought, reflection, and execution. In a world of intelligent agents, your value lies not in doing. The pyramid of AI literacy. AI literacy is no longer about knowing which app does what. It is about understanding which layer of intelligence you are operating within. Awareness allows you to comprehend AI conceptually. Reasoning enables you to guide AI thinking instead of dictating it. Dialogue ensures communication in loops, not lines, refining insight with every interaction. Agency allows you to manage AI ecosystems, orchestrating multiple agents to collaborate toward complex objectives. How to make AI think with you. AI understands patterns, not abstract goals. To achieve meaningful outcomes, you must provide a reasoning framework. Context defines its role. Process dictates how it should approach a problem. You shift the AI from a passive tool to a cognitive partner, capable of evaluating, refining, and optimizing solutions alongside you. Real intelligence emerges not from outputs. Agent management, directing digital teams. By 2026, AI literacy extends beyond single models into ecosystems of coordinated agents. Agents are digital teammates, not chatbots. They collaborate, execute, and manage tasks across platforms, functioning as an autonomous network of problem solvers. Modern creators no longer ask, "What can AI do for me?" They ask, "How can my agents work together?" Agent management is the art of directing systems that direct systems, orchestrating multiple AI minds to act in unison while maintaining human oversight. The new skill set of 2026. Next-generation professionals do not learn to code or just prompt. They master reasoning, orchestration, reflection, and ethics. Prompting ensures precision with intent. Orchestration combines AI like instruments. Reflection measures intelligence rather than intuition. Ethics keeps humanity central to decision-making. AI does not make you smarter. It reveals the structure of your own thinking. The Great Divide. By 2026, the world splits into two groups: those who direct AI and those who are directed by it. Professionals orchestrate intelligence, managing agents and systems to achieve complex goals. Others remain reactive, overwhelmed by feeds, alerts, and outputs they cannot control. True literacy grants freedom of direction, allowing humans to shape outcomes rather than be shaped by algorithmic decisions. AI is not magic, and automate wisely. This is NextCore AI, your cinematic guide to the frontier of intelligence. Subscribe to NextCore AI and hit the bell to watch more exciting topics.